The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, from Columbus, Ohio, Andy the Rocker Richard.
I'm excited for this one.
Approaching the ring from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing 286 pounds, the WWE World Heavyweight Champion, Brock Lesnar.
With Brock Lesnar, this one has the ability to turn ugly very fast.
You know, why would anyone want to sign on to face Brock Lesnar? It's beyond me. Face-to-face with Brock Lesnar, know that this man has ruled every fighting environment he's been in. He's simply unstoppable.
Oh, great counter by the Rocker.
Hey, wait a minute, what's he doing here? Brock Lesnar with a nice reversal. Has he got his opponent? What's he going for here? He's dizzy. Lesnar's in trouble. No, not again. Look out, Brock! Uh-oh!
Just a fantastic suplex.
This is dangerous! The Rocker's on quite a roll here.
Nice escape by Lesnar.
And it's moves like that that made Lesnar the one in 21-1. Uh-oh! Wow, look at that, Cole! Now that's taking someone down.
Come on, what a dirty move. Oh, man, is he fired up. He's not exactly popping up to his feet here.
Well, what do you expect, Michael? Did you see what just happened?
4. And he's heading back in.
Oh, Lesnar isn't going to like this. Oh, man!
He anticipated that move perfectly.
And the knuckles connect.
Neck from that German suplex. Brock Lesnar going to work now. He's putting those educated feet to good use. Oh, geez, nice backdrop.
Oh, what a counter. Brock Lesnar with a nice reversal.
Boy, he was able to reverse and get out of that.
Look at this. This could be it.
Creed. We know what this is.
What a deadly submission hold this is. We might see a tap out right here.
Oh, you're not going to last long here.
No, it's time to fight out or tap out, King. I don't believe the destruction we're seeing.
This guy's just going from one painful move to another. Oh, this is dangerous right here. Every time he has to... Whoa, whoa! Countered! What a move by the Rocker!
Beautiful counter from Brock Lesnar there. And he does it one more time. Oh, the punch connects.
Went for the suplex and a nice one.
And Brock Lesnar has momentum. The offense of Brock Lesnar is working well right now. Brock Lesnar going to work now.
That'll leave a mark.
A shot like that from Brock is like getting hit by a frying pan.
Oh, great counter by the Rocker. He does it again.
Uh-oh, it might be time to run. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal. Whoa, look out. He's trying to turn this around. Oh, what a landing.
Playing mind games.
Yeah, a little intimidation there. I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go.
Uh-oh, look at this. Oh! Trying to put him away.
Oh, the Rocker. Not this. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now. Hits it.
And here we see it from this angle. And this has got to be it. 2, 3.
The match is over. That's all she wrote.
Let's go to the highlights here. highlights from the matchup. Here are some highlights from the match.
Here is your winner, Andy the Rocker Richard.
An emotional victory here tonight.
Man, oh man, what a battle.